These are the feels like temperatures, over 105 in most areas, over 110 in a few spots. You notice Farmville, 120. We've been mentioning that the dew points out there have been higher. What happens is when you get around a lot of crops, especially corn, but crops nonetheless, we get this kind of crop sweat. What happens is the moisture that's down in the ground, in the soil, comes up through the plants and the crops, and it kind of gets evaporated through that. When it comes out of the soil, crops, and plants, it's called evapotranspiration. And all that means is, even though if you see like a puddle, you see that evaporates, but moisture is coming up through the soil and through the plants. So that's why some parts of our viewing area that have a lot of crops and whatnot, or even just a big thicket of plants around, that's why it can be a lot more humid with a higher heat index in those parts of our viewing area. We're going to stay in the upper 90s and lower 100s through the weekend. Sunday will probably be the coolest day out of the next few, though. Lows will stay in the mid to upper 70s. The feels like temps, again, 105 to 110 for most areas, but there'll be many spots that exceed 110. And the extreme heat warning has been extended into Saturday, so it's in effect through tomorrow and into Saturday evening. Low temperatures tonight, not too low at all, mid to upper 70s. The record low for Richmond, 77. We might actually tie that record warm low temperature. And tomorrow, upper 90s and lower 100s. There's a very slight chance of a pop-up thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, about 10-20%. The best chance that's going to be west of I-95. Air temperatures cracking 100 in the shade. Feels like temps cracking 110. Here we are tomorrow. A few pop-up thunderstorms late in the afternoon and evening. Better chances the farther west you are. Those fizzle out around sunset. And then over the weekend, we'll have a few pop-up thunderstorms late in the afternoons into early evenings. These won't impact everywhere, but the ones that do pop up will tap into that muggy air and put down some really heavy downpours. Could have a gusty storm or two tomorrow, but there's a better chance of any storm that does develop on Saturday having some damaging wind gusts. The chance of rain and storms is not high, just that any storm that pops up may have some damaging wind gusts, and we may go through a similar thing again on Sunday. Heading down to the beach, a lower chance of storms there. Temperatures not quite as hot, but still in the low to mid 90s, and still feels like temps above 100, even 105. Waves will be 1 to 2 feet for the upcoming holiday weekend. The water temperature is getting closer to 80 down at the beach, and up in the mountains, not quite as hot there as well, but still well into the 90s. It feels like temp near above 100. A better chance of a few storms Saturday and especially on Sunday if you're traveling up that way. And if you're hanging around town going into the James, the water temperatures in the low to mid 80s, but that water level is staying pretty low, about 3.5 feet officially at the West End gauge. So here's the 7-day forecast. That chance of thunderstorm activity goes up a little bit this weekend, more so on Monday, and that's when we start seeing the temperatures drop a bit. 94 Monday and upper 80s to around 90 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.